Welcome to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Today's topic of discussion is the bullet cluster. Bullet cluster, this is not a general term used in the study of astrophysics. This is a specific term used for a pair of galaxy clusters. These galaxy clusters is at a distance of 3.8 billion light years from Earth. Okay. 3.8 billion light years, and officially this pair of galaxy clusters is designated as 1E065756. This is official designation of the galaxy clusters. So there are what? There are actually two galaxy clusters, colossal galaxy clusters, and out of that those two galaxy clusters, one is smaller, one is larger, another one is larger. Smaller one is known as the bullet. Okay, so they collided, and by analyzing the result of collision, you can imagine this collision as the crash of a car, of course on a cosmic scale. Okay, so what happened? Galaxies, those are made of stars, planets, again gas is also there. So what happened actually after the collision? There was a reduction in the speed of the gas due to friction. Okay, there was a reduction in the speed of the gas due to friction, and scientists of course analyzed other things. So according to their results, means they observed the phenomenon, they calculated the mass involved in the collision process. So galaxies, those were easily detectable by telescopes. Galaxies, like means light sources were there, like stars, planets, etc. Hot gas, of course, those things also were there, hot gases, okay, and those things were detectable by X-rays. And one more thing was used in the calculation process that is a known fact in science, known as gravitational lensing. Scientists applied their theory also, gravitational lensing, and the conclusion is what? Conclusion means observation and their analytical result. So there was a mismatching between observation and the analytical result. And conclusion is what? There is a presence of unknown matter which is not detectable by telescopes or X-rays or by any other means. Unknown mass, large mass was there, which is actually invisible from Earth. So what is that? So that thing is known as dark matter. Scientists call them as dark matter, those unknown matter. And one more thing, modified Newtonian dynamics is there. According to that modified Newtonian dynamics, that is known to you. Again, modified Newtonian dynamics, such a concept exists in the realm of classical physics, and according to that, for the large masses or massive masses, gravity acts in a different way. But that theory also fails here. Okay, in the analysis of this result means what? Result of what? Result of collision of those two galaxy clusters. Okay, which is 3.8 billion light years away from Earth, known as bullet cluster. Okay, so result is what? Result is there is a presence of unknown matter, and scientists call that unknown matter as dark matter. So this collision actually gives us a clue about the presence of dark matter. This can be considered as a practical evidence for dark matter. And there are so many theories in particle physics that actions or actions like particles are there. Means dark matter is made of these things, either actions or action like particles. Both are different things. Actions and action like particles are different things. Both are not the same thing. Action like particles are, these particles are more common. Okay, those things are applicable for the analysis of dark matter as well as other things in particle physics. Again, winds are also there. That concept, WIMPs means weakly interacting massive particles. That concept is also there. Scientists are trying to find all those things, all those particles, but still they have not detected any of them. Again, sterile neutrinos, which is different from normal neutrinos or general neutrinos, okay, or regular neutrinos. Sterile neutrinos are different from regular neutrinos. There is a concept of sterile neutrinos also in the field of particle physics, which can be used to support the existence of dark matter. Anyway, so many theories are there, still there is no practical evidence of any of these things, but there is a presence of unknown matter or dark matter in the universe, and almost 27% of the universe is made up of dark matter. That thing is clear to the scientists, okay, that is clear, there is no doubt about it. Because whatever matter is observable from our earth, that is clearly means the matter observed from earth, that is known to the scientists, okay. Again, the matter which is not observed from earth, that is also known. So if you rely on the principles of classical physics, principles of quantum physics, etc., means if you rely on the laws of physics, and if you analyze your observation with the analytical results, then there is a mismatching. And to account for that mismatching, extra masses are required, and those extra masses are known as dark matter. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about the topic. Actually, the topic was what? The bullet cluster. Okay. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.